How you guys doing today? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I would like to give you another review on the SMS Phone Leads and what this platform has to offer in your marketing journey. So, SMS Phone Leads. Well, this particular platform is an SMS marketing tool. It's a text messaging marketing tool that you can use to promote any primary business of your choice. You could be able to get traffic and you could be able to get leads through SMS text messaging. More people be on their text messages more than anything on their cell phones. And with this, SMS marketing, it's a 95% open rate with text message marketing. More people look at them on a text message device more than their email device. Well, more than their email messages, which is email is a 20% open rate, 15 to 20% open rate. And if you're good at writing email messages, salute to you. But with SMS marketing added to your arsenal, it's very, very, very scalable and can help you push your marketing, to the extreme. Now, just like any other SMS marketing platform requires you to purchase text credits so you can be able to send and receive text messages. So you can see right here in the back office, you can see it's a little video that this guy go over some marketing strategies on how to use the two-step funnel. If you have AWeber get response, you can have a two-step funnel, and you can have your own voice record system to follow up with your leads and prospects. And if you scroll all the way down, this shows you how you can use it. It's more information. With this system, it's a one-time $37. You don't have to worry about paying any monthly fees. So that's very incredible, especially if you're a newbie. And it's very, very friendly, newbie friendly. So just a one-time $37, where most SMS marketing platforms will charge you monthly fees. So you can see right here they got information on this works when you quit for the day, and it shows you how the marketing system works. You got an opt-in form, and people automatically text for more info. You get sign-ups and you get an email list. I got different marketing strategies that I use to promote this particular platform. And, you can earn all the way up to $200 within upsells. You got, $37 one time. If you get the $10 upsell for more marketing training, you got $77 for the micro book, $39 a month for buyer's traffic rotator, and 5 custom emails is optional. So, they had updated this over some time, so y'all can pretty much check it out. Saying you can use this. It has tons of training and information in the back office. Like I said before, it's a one-time $37 investment. Make sure you guys have a Stripe account, because you won't be able to get the your affiliate link if you don't have a Stripe account hooked up to it. They don't have any other ways of payment methods that you can use at this moment. But you can make sure you have a Stripe account, and your Stripe account can hook up to your bank account, so that way you can get paid. And it's the same day profits. You don't have to wait a week to get paid. You don't have to, go through the hassles of payment. So it's daily pay when you get people to sign up under you. And so, that's the way how the strategy goes. A lot of everything in this training is self-explanatory. In the back office, you can see they have a quick start guide. You can, buy mobile leads. You also can purchase credits. You could buy multiple numbers for different opportunities that you may have. And you can set up a voice ring. You can set a ringless voicemail. Where you can have prospects call your number, and they can hear a voicemail machine that could just play for them. And that way you can get back, and you don't even got to be around your phone for it to happen. So, You get your voice message come in here. You get the SMS. You can see people that message you. If they want more info, and you can use the CSV file if you want. If you got a big email list that you would like to send a platform to do blast text messages. One thing I do like is the SMS blaster. You can send it right now. It's pretty much after hours to be able to send messages, but you could be able to send messages to random leads. So you can send up to 250 to 1,000 messages a day to random leads that come into your that could check out your opportunities. So that's something that's very, very useful. Like I said before, SMS marketing is very, very helpful, because more people, like I said before, is on their cell phones. So that's something that you would like to really get into. I have ways that I could be able to show you guys strategies that I use to market SMS phone leads. Because you want to be able to brand yourself. So I got little tips and tricks that you can check out from there. The link in the description will be below if you'd like to start and get that up and running to use it on your marketing journey. Use it on any primary business that you want to promote, and get ready to get those eyeballs on your opportunity. So that's pretty much it for the SMS phone leads. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I will have definitely more videos for you guys with the SMS phone leads. Any updates that come upon, I will make sure that I let you guys know. Just make sure you guys, give this video a like, and I definitely will appreciate it. And that will help me, and as well as I will help you. All right, that's it for today. I will catch you guys on the next video.